take that back! What you wrote, you foul, horrible thing! See? You take it back. You take back what you wrote, sir. You take it back.
Fine, fine. Dora the Explorer could beat up Bob the Builder.
Yeah!
You want in here?
What do you say?
Yeah! Oh, look, people.
Yes. Good people, allow me to introduce myself. I am Captain Red Swash Rogers.
And I am Seaman Jiff Buckle.
And together we are
Buckle and Swash.
And the crowd goes crazy.
Oh, look, crazy people.
Yes. Now then, before we set sail, we do have several important announcements.
Yes, children, do not pursue a liberal arts degree. Sure, it's funny to wear those ears and all. But look, don't pursue a liberal arts degree. Don't let this happen to you. Look at him. Look at him. He doesn't even have a clear outline. He's like Bigfoot. If you try to take a picture, it'll come all blurry. Liberal.
Our second announcement is this. Believe it or not, Mr. Jiff and I actually do this for a living. Yeah.
Look, kids, we're pirates. Arr.
However, after the show, we will be standing about passing our treasure chests. If you would, please stop by and say hello. And if you can, you know, maybe drop in a 5.
Or 10.
Or a 20.
Or a puppy.
How about a 20?
Yeah, then we could buy a puppy.
Sure.
And them's good eating. oh, yeah. They plump when you cook them.
Anyway, we would love to see you all after the show.
And your puppies.
Yes. But right now, you're all in for a treat because it is a very special time of day.
Very special.
Right now, it's pirate story time.
Ooh. Come on, even you cool kids in the back.
There you go. Now is the time when Mr. Jiff and I would like to relate to you the thrilling adventure we like to call
The Forbidden Jewel of Dead Man's Cove.
Cove.
Cove. What's a cove?
It doesn't matter. It was a dark and stormy night.
Boom, crackle, crackle, boom. Did you take out the garbage? No, I did not take out the garbage. Well, why didn't you take out the garbage? Because it wasn't my turn to take out the garbage. That's a dark and stormy night at my house.
Well, there we were, Mr. Jiff and I, spending a nice, quiet evening home alone.
By quiet evening home alone, we mean we were breaking and entering into our neighbor's house and stealing their food. You know why? Because they had food.
Well, there we were, when suddenly there came a knock at the door.
Ding dong!
Stop it.
Thank you, lady.
I knew it might be dangerous. So, Mr. Jiff.
Yeah!
You go first.
Ah, poop. Very well.
But Mr. Jiff,
Sir!
be safe.
Ah.
Take this.
Ah, a sword!
And be extra safe.
Yeah!
Take this.
Aha! A little sword! In case they're short.
And here, be extra, extra safe. Take this.
What's that?
Kryptonite. You never know.
You never know. I'm ready for you, Kal-El. Oh, the geek guy. One geek.
Well, Mr. Jiff slowly opened the door.
Eek! The door was afraid. Eek! Eek!
Yeah, I got it. Well, there, silhouetted in the lightning's flash.
Sound effect! The lightning was very far away, sir. Miles away.
Well, there was a hideous, horrible, scab-encrusted, pus oozing,
puppy eating.
Oh yeah, puppy eating, that's good. horrible sea hag. And the sea hag just so happened to be sitting right here.
Right there, sir.
Come on up. A round of applause for the sea hag.
Don't worry, must be very embarrassing.
You can see the official Sea Hag wig.
Oh, look at you. You look like a young B. Arthur.
And here, you also get the official Sea Hag hook hand.
Oh, now you're like B. Arthur with battle damage.
Well, we asked the Sea Hag what she wanted, and she responded with a hideous cackle. Go ahead, cackle, sir. It's kind of creepy.
No, you're good. You're doing good. You're doing good.
All right, we're going to make this easy on you, sir. We're going to have Mr. Jiff do the voice.
Yeah, I tell you what, I'm going to stand behind you and I'll do all the talking. When you hear me talk, you move your mouth and make big hand gestures. It'll be like a bad kung fu movie, all right? It's going to be great. It's going to be great. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
What do you want from us, you horrible Sea Hag?
I have heard of you pirates, and I want you to complete a quest for me.
It's like I'm at a concert with Joe Cocker up there.
Yeah, it's hard to stay behind this guy.
Ooh, a quest, Sea Hag. What is it?
A quest, it's a voyage or journey you do with a specific goal or purpose in mind. But that's not important right now, Blondie. Why don't you try and stay on task? Retrieve for me the forbidden jewel of jambalaya, and you will receive a great reward.
Ooh, a reward! What is it?
It's a treat you get for doing something nice.
The questions then.
But look not into the forbidden jewel of jambalaya, for it's cursed. And if you look into it, you will suffer a hideous fate. Hideous! Hideous! Even more hideous is standing up here looking like this, and somebody alone is probably going to take a picture and put it on Facebook. Take the picture now.
Go.
Nobody loves him.
Very well. How do we find this forbidden jewel?
I have a map. Handsome stranger yelling at my back.
Yes, Sea Hag?
Go get that map for me.
I will, Sea Hag. There you go, man.
Thank you. Here, take this, Blondie.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here, give this to him.
All right, very well. Take this, handsome.
Oh, Sea Hag.
And with that, the Sea Hag let loose another hideous cackle. That's all you, sir. And the Sea Hag disappeared into the night. Applause to the Sea Hag.
You broke our hook.
And our wig.
Very well. Well, here. Even though you broke our props, for being such a good Sea Hag, you get a sucker, okay? Don't eat it. It's been on the hood of my car for like a month.
Well, Mr. Jiff and I prepared to set out on the quest of the Sea Hag. Let's check our provisions, shall we?
Yes, sir.
Compass, Mr. Jiff.
I got the compass right here, sir.
Good. Map.
Got the map right here, sir.
Altoids.
Got the Altoids right here, sir.
Probably should have given some of them to the Sea Hag.
No, that was me. Oh, here, kid, can you smell this?
What?
What?
We need swords.
Swords are good for a sword fighting show, sir.
Indeed. There is one thing that is missing, however.
What's that, sir?
Where is our ship?
Isn't it right outside?
Mr. Jiff,
Sir?
we are outside.
Huh, funny. I left her right over there. Dude, where's my ship? I got nothing.
Mr. Jiff,
Sir!
did you pay all of those parking tickets perchance?
Why, yes, I paid those parking tickets, sir. And by yes, I paid them, I mean, no, I did not pay any of those parking tickets, sir.
So where is our ship?
That makes for a good story, Captain. Listen up. I believe she's sailing the friendly waves of the police impound lot downtown. Oh, picture it, sir. The tarmac, the chain link fence.
Mr. Jiff!
What?
You let our ship be towed.
Oh, no, sir, I did not let it be towed. It happened while I was on guard duty. And drinking. And asleep. I was multitasking and I spread myself a little too thin. Children do not pursue a liberal arts degree.
Mr. Jiff,
Sir!
we have no ship.
Not till we pay $750 for the city, sir.
Do you know what this means?
Well, We walk.
No.
We swim.
No!
We fly. Think happy thoughts. You ain't got a happy thought in your head, do you?
No. No, Mr. Jiff, it means I have to kill you.
Oh, good, I've got family in the audience.
How about you? Yeah! Yeah! Huzzah! Huzzah!
Can we just fight?
All right, fine, very well. How about you? Are you?
Stop moving around. Oh, children! He got me right in the armpit vein. He has slain me, and now I'm going to die. Backstage, where I've got a cold drink waiting for me. Oh!
Well, after I killed Mr. Jiff, I sold his organs, and we had enough money to get our ship out of the impound lot. Once again, we were sailing the 7 seas. As for Mr. Jiff, he recovered from death nicely.
Brains! Brains! Brains!
Mr. Jiff,
Sir.
let's just follow the sea hag's directions.
Very
What does the
well.
map say?
Sea hag, directions, right here, sir. First of all, let me see. Ah, sir, it says we follow the yellow brick road, sir. Yeah, that takes us to Margaritaville. And there we tie one on with the Oompa Loompas. And then we dance in a circle with talking cats, and everything's made out of candy. Liberal arts figurine! Liberal arts figurine! Wait, this is a vacation map of Florida. So on your next vacation, visit Universal Studios.
We have to face facts.
No, we don't.
Oh, we do, Mr. Jiff.
What facts do we have to face?
We are lost.
Lost?
Lost.
Sir, we can't be lost. I didn't know it was gonna take this long. I didn't pack a lunch. I'm hypoglycemic. I got low blood sugar. Look, I'm getting weird.
What do you mean, getting weird?
Well, weirder, sir, weirder.
Yes. Well, just relax. That's why we brought the compass.
Oh, yes, the compass, sir.
All right. We'll just use that to find out where we are.
Ah, here it is, sir, right here.
Very good. Well, that's strange. I'm fairly certain that way is north, but the needle is pointing due that way.
Move around the ship, sir. Maybe we're in the middle of a magnetic anemone.
Sure.
I mean, an Emily. Maybe we're in the middle of Amish country. I don't know.
Well, that's strange, because now the needle's pointing due that way.
Oh.
Mr. Jiff?
Sir.
Can you think of any reason why this compass keeps pointing directly at you?
Because you love me most, sir. Why do birds suddenly appear every time? I'm gonna hug you. Just
Not bloody likely.
You know what? I didn't think so either, sir, but I know why that compass is pointing at me.
Why is that?
It has something to do with that 12-pound metal plate I've got in my head.
Metal plate?
Yeah, you remember from the time we used my head as a battering ram to escape from that French prison.
Ah, yes, now I remember. Good times.
Yeah.
Say, why were we in that prison anyway?
I don't know, but I got a great tattoo. Do you want to see it?
Yeah.
Yes.
This might take a while.
No!
It's a butterfly. I call it papillon. Watch, I can make it flap its wings.
What? No! Jeff! Here, just put on this lead shielding so I can get a clear reading.
Very well.
Aha! That way is north, which means we must set sail due east.
What is this supposed to protect me from, sir? Because it just hurts.
Look here, clean this all up, would
Yes,
you?
sir.
And fetch me my rum. All of this navigating is thirsty work.
Very well, sir. Here's your rum. Right here, sir.
Good. Mr. Jiff?
Sir!
Where did the rum go?
The rum that was in that bottle?
Aye, that rum.
Oh, I drank that rum, sir.
Mr. Jiff!
Sir!
You stole my rum!
I did not steal it, sir. I'm just borrowing it for a little while. Here, give me the bottle. I'll give it back.
What? No!
It's called recycling. Tennessee. That's my green finger.
Mr. Jiff, you drank all of my rum. Do you know what this means?
I'm drunk.
No.
Oh.
I mean, yes.
Yes.
No!
Hooray! Me too. I just thought we were yelling stuff. What?
It means I have to kill you.
Oh, good! I'm kind of annoying. Hey, everybody! Captain Red's gonna kill me. Let's give him a round of applause. Come on! He's gonna kill me!
Thank you. Ah! Yeah!
Yeah!
Yeah! Why are you? Oh, you?
No, they're not short.
I said it's sport.
Yeah! Oh!
Slice!
Slice.
I'm not.
Still breathing.
Quiet. I just killed Captain Ren. So now I'm captain. And there's gonna be some changes around here. From now on, every third Wednesday is gonna be Daisy Duke's Wednesday. And just for you, lady, it's Cohen. We were all happier when you were dead.
Well, after Mr. Jiff killed me, we finally made our way to Dead Man's Cove.
Oh, look, it's Dead Man's Cove. Huh.
Well, we searched long and hard, but eventually we discovered the X that marks the spot where the treasure was buried.
Oh, look! The X that marks the spot where the treasure's buried. And it's got duct tape on it. Oh! Look! Sir!
Well, I knew it might be dangerous. So, Mr. Jiff,
Yeah?
you dig.
Oh, poop. Very well.
After hours of backbreaking labor,
Woo! It's hard to dig through wood. Especially with other wood.
well, Mr. Jiff finally unearthed a treasure chest.
Oh, look, a treasure. I think we put it by the X. Oh, look, a treasure chest. Oh.
Well, Mr. Jiff slowly opened the lid, and inside he discovered...
Another. Live and unedited. Another treasure chest there. Oh, and a bag of dum-dums. Sir, look, inside that treasure chest was this treasure chest. I have no idea where this joke is going.
Now, Mr.
What could
Jiff...
be inside here? Hey, go say your line now. What could be...
Mr. Jiff opened that treasure chest, and inside he discovered...
Another treasure chest! Who knew? What could be inside here? Let's find out, shall we? Parquet. Oh, no, you're not, yeah?
Mr. Jiff opened that treasure chest, and inside...
Another treasure chest, sir!
Mr. Jiff opened that treasure chest, and inside he discovered...
The forbidden jewel of jambalaya!
Well, whatever you do, Mr. Jiff, do not look into the gem because it is cursed.
I won't look into the gem because it's cursed, sir. By won't looking into it, I mean I already have. Ah, it's beautiful. Melt face, melt face, melt face.
Well, with that, Mr. Jiff's hair turned white with horror.
Hey! Hooray! See, this is what you look like. Only I look good, check it out.
Well, the curse of the gem was none other than that of true self-awareness.
Oh! Wait. I'm a middle-aged actor making my living as a pirate at a Renaissance festival. Oh, man. Dude! This is all your fault!
Me?
Yeah! You said, hey, let's write a pirate show. We'll travel around the country, we'll meet some women, we'll make some money. You know what? We haven't met any women, we haven't made any money. I'm living in a trailer park with a bunch of hippies. And they're cool, but they eat hummus 24/7. And they smell of patchouli. And I think I'm married to some woman named Moonbeam. Don't ask me how that happened. This is all your fault, sir. Your fault. You know what that means?
Probably that you have to kill me.
Oh, I do, sir. I really do.
Do you mind if I defend myself?
Yes.
Too late.
Ah!
Hold still so I can poke you.
Ah!
Ah! Let me stab you, would you? Ah! Ah! My scapula. Oh, you. Ah!
Now I'm gonna kill you, Captain Red.
Again. But before I do, I'm gonna tell you why you must die. First, you must die. Caught me monologuing. No! It cannot end it. Come up here. It cannot end this way. Your evil must stop here. And now.
What? No. Ah!
Why do birds suddenly appear every time that your children stay in school? Oh.
Well, after Mr. Diff and I killed each other, we finally made our way back home.
Oh, look, we're home. Hooray!
Well, we found the sea hag and gave her the forbidden jewel. I knew it might be dangerous, so Mr. Diff...
I got an idea. Let me go first.
Good thinking.
Ah! Where is that sea hag? Don't point, it's rude. Where is that horrible woman of the deep? Where is that foul cross-dressing nightmare? Oh, there you are. Here, you hideous crone. Here is the forbidden jewel of jambalaya with its curse of true self-awareness. Good luck with that.
Hi, Mr. Diff, you returned.
I've returned.
You have received the reward.
I received a reward.
Good, give it to me.
The sea hag did not want her sucker, so she gave it back. And ta-da!
Lords and ladies, I am Captain Red Swash Rogers.
I'm Seaman Chief Buckle.
And together we are...
Buckle and Swash! Thank you.